Technology is the engine of progress, shaping how we live, work, and connect worldwide. Nations leading in innovation gain economic power and global influence. The devices and treatments we rely on are the result of years of research and bold vision. Now, the race to innovate is shifting focus, from software and apps to the physical technologies that underpin our digital world. These are the machines, materials, and systems that require deep scientific expertise and patience. The future depends not just on clever code, but on mastering the building blocks of the physical world. We're at a pivotal moment. Countries are realigning strategies to invest in foundational technologies that will power tomorrow's industries. This includes everything from microchips to rockets. True technological sovereignty means mastering complex science and engineering. Today, a major world power is making a bold move to build a strong foundation in these critical technologies. This decision signals a new chapter in global innovation. It's a moment that could shape the technological world for generations. China has just launched 3 massive venture capital funds dedicated to hard technology. These funds channel unprecedented capital into foundational science and engineering. It's a strategic shift away from consumer internet toward deep, long-term innovation. Each fund holds over 50 billion yuan, totaling more than 150 billion yuan, or $21 billion USD. This is more than many countries invest in science and tech over years. The message: China is serious about building a world-class hard-tech ecosystem. The goal is to support promising companies, turning research into world-changing enterprises. This marks a deliberate pivot from China's past focus on e-commerce and apps. Now, the aim is to lead in how technology is made, not just how it's used. The creation of these funds is the first step in mastering the complex fields that will define the future. It's a bold new chapter for China and the global tech industry. The world is watching. The stakes have never been higher. What is hard technology? It's innovation rooted in deep science and engineering. Physical objects, materials, and systems. Hard tech includes semiconductors, advanced batteries, and quantum computers, things that require years of research and massive investment. In contrast, soft tech is software, apps, and internet services, built with code, developed quickly, and requiring less physical infrastructure. You can launch a successful app with a small team, but you can't build a new chip or quantum device that way. Hard tech manipulates the physical world. Soft tech manipulates information. For example, semiconductors are hard tech, tiny, complex, and essential to all electronics. New batteries for electric cars, also hard tech, demanding breakthroughs in chemistry, a photo-sharing app. That's soft tech, valuable, but not physically transformative. China's new funds are betting on the hard stuff, semiconductors, advanced materials, and more. The strategy is to build a resilient, self-sufficient technological base. It's a long-term play, but one with the potential to reshape the global tech landscape. The distinction is clear and the stakes are enormous. The future will be built on hard tech. China's new funds have a clear blueprint: invest in sectors critical for future leadership. The top priority is integrated circuits, building a world-class semiconductor industry to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. Quantum technology is next, with investments in quantum computing and communications for breakthroughs in science and security. Biomedicine is another focus: new drugs, advanced devices, and therapies to make China a leader in healthcare innovation. The funds will also target brain-computer interfaces and aerospace, fields with transformative potential. The emphasis is on early-stage startups, often still in R&D, valued under 500 million yuan. This is the riskiest stage, but also where bold ideas can become world-changing businesses. By supporting these young companies, China aims to turn scientific ambition into commercial reality. The goal: nurture the next generation of tech giants. It's a strategic investment in the future. With over $21 billion, China's hard tech funds are among the largest government-backed VC efforts ever. This isn't about picking a few winners, it's about spreading capital across hundreds of startups. No single investment will exceed 50 million yuan, ensuring broad support for early-stage innovation. The approach is to plant a forest, not a single tree, knowing that some startups will fail, but a few will become giants. By targeting high-risk, high-reward companies, China is providing patient capital for deep tech breakthroughs. Traditional investors often avoid these bets, but China's funds create a safety net for ambitious scientists and engineers. The hope unleash a wave of creativity and risk-taking. Even if many startups fail, the overall mission remains on track. The numbers game is clear. Out of thousands of seeds, a few will shape the future. This is how technological revolutions begin. China's timing is no accident. It's a response to global shifts and its own vulnerabilities. Recent trade tensions expose China's dependence on foreign tech, especially semiconductors. Supply chain disruptions were a wake-up call. Control over core technologies is essential for security and growth. The new funds are about self-sufficiency, designing and producing critical tech at home. As China's economy matures, it seeks to move from assembler to inventor, driving growth through innovation. Hard tech investment creates new industries and high-paying jobs for a skilled workforce. Many fields, like quantum computing, are still wide open. No country has a commanding lead. By acting now, China aims to seize the initiative in the next tech revolution. The goal: define the future, not just follow it. It's a decisive move to secure China's place as a global innovation powerhouse. These funds are about more than financing. They're about building a new tech ecosystem. By backing early-stage startups, China encourages scientists and engineers to become entrepreneurs. This could spark a cultural shift, making deep tech startups an attractive career path. The ripple effect: demand for skilled talent, stronger university programs, and a support network for hard tech. As startups succeed, they'll attract more private investment, creating a self-sustaining cycle. Government funds are the spark. The goal is a much larger fire fueled by public and private capital. Imagine a battery startup that, thanks to early funding, grows into a global leader. If successful, China could move from tech consumer to tech creator, licensing breakthroughs worldwide. This would shift the global balance of technological power. The $21 billion bet is on building a vibrant world-leading ecosystem for the toughest challenges. China's $21 billion push will ripple across the global tech industry. Other nations, especially the US and Europe, will likely accelerate their own investments in foundational tech. The race for leadership in semiconductors, AI, and quantum computing will intensify. This competition could speed up innovation worldwide. Think global races to cure diseases or develop clean energy. But it may also fragment the tech landscape, as countries build separate supply chains and standards. Some companies may lose access to Chinese markets, while new tech blocks could emerge. For investors, hard tech will become a hotter target, drawing more private capital globally. International VCs may seek opportunities in China, but face stiff competition from state-backed funds. The focus on hard tech could redefine global investment priorities. The world is entering a new era of techno-nationalism and rapid transformative change. China's $21 billion hard tech funds mark a turning point in global innovation. It's a strategic shift from consumer apps to the foundational sciences that will shape our future. By focusing on semiconductors, quantum computing, biomedicine, and aerospace, China aims to become a creator, not just a user, of technology. The plan: plant thousands of seeds, support early-stage startups, and unleash a wave of deep tech entrepreneurship. This move will intensify global competition and could accelerate breakthroughs that benefit all humanity. The world must now reckon with the rising importance of hard tech. The race to master the future is on, and the outcome will reshape the world. The era of hard tech has begun.